Hold up. You will not believe what these crazy people try to do with a race car and a mountain. Recharging while driving down a mountain. Seriously? So what was this madness all about? So Formula E and Google teamed up for a wild experiment called Mountain Recharge. They wanted to see if a Formula E car could generate enough energy just by driving down a mountain pass to complete a full lap of the Monaco circuit. So this video dives into. So now you absolutely have to see how this unfolded. Check out the main video right here to witness the downhill drama and the big reveal.
Alright guys, let's do this. I can smell the sea already. Monaco is near.
Hey Gemini. Starting with just 1% battery, could the Gen 3 Evo car potentially generate enough recharge by descending a high mountain pass to do a lap of Monaco? Give me a route near Monaco that would be good to demonstrate a Formula E car's ability to regenerate energy from braking.
Col de Braus is a mountain pass in the Alps near Monaco, famous for its challenging hairpin turns and stunning views. This makes it an ideal location to showcase the energy regeneration capabilities of a Formula E car during braking.
Don't want to kill the vibe, but right now the battery level is at 1%. Team, can you do me a favor?
Je vis sans regret. Et je prends toutes les
Alright guys, mission accepted. Let's charge up for that lap.
Radio check. Can you hear me, James?
Loud and clear.
James, now remember, every corner and every brake gives us more charge. Let gravity do the work.
Let's see what gravity's got. I've got company. Let's outrun this concrete surfer. She was fast. Props for that. Now back to the regen mode. Entering a village. Real postcard stuff. Bonjour. Love them locals.
Okay, enough sightseeing. Time to pick up some speed. Let's stick to the plan.
Nothing easier than that. Let's go.
I am recalculating descent. Keep that efficiency. SOC is looking good. Regen just spiked. Something wrong with the car?
Nope. Just a fellow racer I had to say hello to. Now back to the plan. Nice car ahead. Time to overtake. Fast and clean. Watch out. Alright guys, I can smell the sea already. How's the battery level?
Regen is building nicely. Keep that smooth flow.
Copy. That car is in my lane. Wow, that was insanely close, my friends. Alright guys, heads up. I'll be on the grid in 90 seconds.
James, you made it. Enough recharge to do a lap in Monaco.
Yeah!
That last little turn was perfect.
Much appreciated. Well, after that warm-up, I think Monaco deserves a show. Let's go!
Wasn't that mind-blowing? If you enjoyed this peek into the cutting edge of electric racing and tech, make sure to like this short, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible stories. Thanks for watching.